Oh man, it's such an aggressive trend to the downside, guys. There's absolutely no reason to fight this. There's been zero long setups for a number of days now. Since Tuesday, pretty much, we've had a 200 EMA plus pivot complete rejection on every single opportunity. It's
Oh,
been so straightforward. It's probably the cleanest downtrend I've like ever seen, really. Look at that, like mass selling, man. See how much they can push it underwater. Let's see.
BTC cluster, guys. BTC cluster. I posted in the corner. All those levels. We're just waiting for this 30. It's looking juicy right now. Oh, we're gonna get it. Oh, we're gonna get it.
Up over here. Who is this?
It's like 54.7 to 54.
Got over here. Yeah, same area I'm looking at. My X's 54, 5, 54,000. Or we hold these lows.
Yeah.
Are we gonna hold these lows? I don't know. Tried to shove there. Tried really hard to shove there. Let's see. Positive, not the best signs. Why play any strategy to short 30 minutes before US Open? Honestly, Dan, am I gonna argue with you? I don't think so. I don't think so. That's been pretty straightforward, huh? Like I'm not even kidding. Like every New York Open, like look, 9:30, bam. 9:30, bam. Hold on. 9:30, bam. It's crazy. Every New York Open, okay? I'm looking at every New York Open since Tuesday, right?
Perfect. That would give us a OI flush as well. That would be fantastic. Binance might want to. Binance look like you're going to try to front run this, Rego. What?
Me.
Who are? Yeah, at our 54. It looks like 50. They want to play 55.
Hey, yo,
Okay.
listen, I don't know nothing about that. I'm looking at nice, good old 54 on the dot, which means I probably get front run, right? That's usually how it goes.
No, no, we are not getting front run.
So the volume's dying. Volume's dying on this sell-off, so that's
Ooh, we've
interesting.
been waiting for this for a while now.
I mean, man, what a clean downtrend, huh? There's not much more you can ask for. Might be like one day where it was a bit maybe more difficult to navigate, but other than that, man, every time you just get to the 200 EMA, it's just been an easy slam.
Come on, Phyllis.
Or can we place limit? I'm
No.
looking more at 54, like
Yeah. Same
for probably
thing.
like a relief bounce. Yeah. The problem is what I don't like. What I don't like is my RSI slash volume oscillators is kind of still extended. So like if this goes down really quick without flushing this, you probably get 54, but then you FUD us out. I honestly, man, that's been a common theme. I've been fading. I think out of like 7 S3 setups, I faded 5 of them, and all 5 of them were completely normal and acted as they should have. Hey man, truth hurts. It is what it is. I've been off my game. Under 60K, I've been really off my game. To be very honest with you, I just don't like where we're trading. I don't like this area. It's just you're in no man's land. You get what I'm trying to say? Like you're in no man's land. It's either like your levels are like so much better towards here or towards 60K, and like over here is it's just a crap toss, and I don't like trading here. And naturally so, right? I mean, yeah, we come to an area where usually everybody gets bearish on the intraday towards the S3 level, right? Myself included. Sometimes I just go, something's off.
INJ, lever, LDO, ENA, XTZ, dot. Man, so many logs we can look at. Oh.
Well, dominance is dropping, so that's interesting. Is it finally time? Are you finally gonna nuke this shit into oblivion? You know, taking you long enough. Taking you long enough. Can we please just roll over and die at the 50, 56, 60 zone, please? Oh man, this daily looks
Yeah,
so
I'm feeling
nasty.
better.
This daily looks
Uh,
so nasty, bro.
oh yeah, there's the weekly at 55013. I see that. I see it. Who is that? What, Binance? Yeah.
God, look at the
Let's
fucking
see.
aggressive sell-off this is, man.
Fuck. They better not
We even hit
fucking
any
front run
liquidations?
us.
Didn't even feel like we liquidated anybody yet.
Nah, not yet. The liquidation, like if you go look at that coin glass dashboard, we're about to get it right now. We're about to fucking take that liquidity. Big liquidity too, Rego. Like about 20 mil. This little
I'm
20
here
mil
for it.
liquidation.
I'm here for it.
Yeah, man. Let's catch this
Oh
shit.
my god, man. They are, yeah, it is an active trend to the downside here, man. It is what it is. Fuck, man. Brutal, man. New York sessions have just been brutal. They've just been the worst. There was no money to get liquidated. I beg to differ here. We have 100 mil liquidations in 24 hours. It seems to be the common theme here. These people just have perpetual amounts of dollars and they,
Come on. Keep coming. Don't stop.
oh my lord, man.
Yes.
All this activity is Binance as well. Woo!
Here we go.
No messing around, huh? With this statement.
Here we go, baby. Oh, I love being patient. Fuck, this is the best feeling. All right, 30 starting to look good. Let's go.
This one has two levels. Pretty much the bane of my existence are these two levels right here. Ooh, big licks, big licks. This came in. Got someone on Hobie for 14 mil here. 14, 15, 16. Yeah, pretty gnarly. We knocked someone out here.
Too soon, Junior. I just got an alert on INJ. I can take a look at it for you real quick. See what we're approaching.
Any idea where INJ might head in the short term? This part is difficult for
Um,
me. It's difficult for me with the way we're trading on majors.
13,461 is where I'm interested in on
What up, DB?
INJ. But there is like a little bounce area right here, like lower time frame ranges and stuff.
Fucking nasty. This looks even nastier, honestly. Oh yes, they are choosing violence today. Let me tell you.
More licks coming in. Let's go.
See, like the problem with 54K is now I want 53 to 50.
What?
Yeah, because now I prioritize daily, right?
I don't have anything there.
This area,
Shit.
53 to 50 on the daily.
Let me see. No, bro, I have nothing at 53, dude.
Is the area we wicked into last time.
Yeah, I have
Well,
nothing at
down until
53.
49, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
no,
like
it's 54. If it doesn't work at 54, I'm waiting until like
49 or lower.
51.8 to 51.5, and then after that, 48 lower. That's it.
Wow. Okay, we're just getting fucking sold on right now. This is wild.
Here.
I'm too tired. Like I just woke up, bro. Like I'm freaking out. One day I sleep in like this, man. They do this. The one day I fell asleep too late. It's the first Friday we come back to like a full trader's desk, right? So like, man, it's way more violent than it was like for the past 3 months. I don't know about you, but like Look at my tape. It's just flying. Like if we looked at all the tapes of the past like few Fridays, like it would move like once every 3 minutes. Yeah, just straight up. Ready. Looking at
Okay, yeah, they got
54.
filled. Did they get filled? Yeah, they didn't pull their bids either.
Look
It
at
looks like they
this,
got
dude.
filled. Do not front run me, Binance. Oh, I hope you guys get not you guys, but the ones who front ran us. I hope they get wrecked. Who promised you we were going up in September? I don't know about that, Ragnaros. You might want to get a refund on that.
I mean, you're 6 days into September, right? A lot of the month that can
Yeah.
occur here. Like let's not.
Yeah, those are the same KOLs that show you projects at the top and then unload.
That
Nah.
also have deals pennies on the dollar for the things they're asking you to buy. So again,
Yeah, no,
um,
sir. Nope. They don't care about liquidation.
everybody cares
Mad.
about
That is
liquidations.
that is Binance perps. Trust me. They definitely care about liquidations, my friend.
Practically what this whole market's about. Someone out of their position, which gives you an opportunity to capitalize on it. So yes, liquidations absolutely matter. Absolutely. How is this even a bull market?
I
Oh
mean,
gee,
we're at 55K.
gee, let me
I
check.
mean, we were at 15,000, like a blink of an eye. Uh, Come
Look at this
on,
bear market,
man.
huh? What a bear market. Shit.
Yeah, I don't know anything that
Damn.
makes new all-time highs in a bear market.
Shit. Damn. Look at this bear market, guys. Shit.
I do not have limits set yet. I am waiting for the RSI to be oversold before I bid my levels. Bull market is over? So are you net short then, Dev?
No, don't feed the troll. He's trolling. Don't feed
Oh
him.
no,
Don't
I
feed him.
got
He's a
something
hungry
for him.
troll.
I
He's
got
a
some.
hungry troll.
No, I got something for him. I got something for him. I just want to know. I just want to know if it's a bear market. Oh, okay. You're kidding. Oh, okay.
That's
Okay.
why I said
Okay.
don't feed the troll. I know a troll when I see one.
That's fine. That's fine. No worries. No worries. Because
I remember when
it.
I had to deal with comments like that when I was streaming to 1,000 people on a day where things are down 50, 60%. I know better than to bite on those things.
Yes, vent. It's beautiful, brother. I love it.
Here we go. Here we go. Here's the cock tease. We fucking sell off for the New York morning. We're gonna chop between S1 and S2, not giving me the level I want, and then it's just gonna nuke again. This is usually how it goes, right? We get like that rush sell off, then we rise up on some fucking low volume wedge until New York closes, and then we just fucking roll over again before my pivots reset, and then I can't take this trade. Yeah, Ragnaros, I want my fucking entries like in a timely manner. Like this is what it seems to always happen, right? For like the past few mornings, we get like a pivot 200 EMA rejection. We nuke with absolute haste into S1, S2 levels, the two levels I avoid the most. We do nothing in between these levels. Then New York closes. We get like one little pity pump, and then by the end of the day, where my levels all reset, we finally get the level I'm looking for. So like
Ah,
that's been the whole week for me, and it's been the most frustrating week of trading for me.
bro. How did those Binance 55K 1000 BTC longers just front run us? Jeez, oh Pete. Not cool.
I mean, what about this monthly? Like, I mean, 6 days in, it looks terrible, right? But like, what about the other half
Yeah,
of the
I
month?
know.
What
I know.
if we spent the majority of these 2 weeks up until FOMC, where rate cuts are being announced conveniently towards the end of the month or midway through the month? What if we're putting in our loan now, spending the rest of the month recovering. Like it's all about how you look at it, right? Like it looks like shit now, but that's why you don't make decisions in a minute to minute basis on a monthly chart. You make decisions on a monthly basis, right? Like it's just common sense that, right? Like it looks like shit now, yeah, of course. Just like this candle in August didn't look like shit before it sold off at towards the end of the month. You get what I'm trying to say? Like I've seen worse, and this is not horrible. Like I want to say this is kind of mild. The only thing that really sucks is that price hasn't moved. It reminds me of this. It reminds me of the September to August of last year, where we kind of just everybody was convinced it was over, then we had like this banking crisis, and we just fucking teleported.
Oh, living off the grid, you keep reminding me of that damn weekly POC.
Terrible. I mean, and again, when you're like on a daily time frame, right? Between 60K and 53K, it's literally thin air.
No, it was like BTC USDT. So it's not spot. Living, that's not spot.
X continues to long. Bitfinex continues to long. Look at that. See USD longs on Bitfinex continue to climb and climb and climb. On every drop, it continues to climb. Let's do 60K then. What about 60K, Mario?
Oh man.
I mean, even when you look at like a weekly, right?
Who played
Very few
55 and
times.
front ran us? That's what I want to know. Where's the P&L cards? Rub it in my face.
SD kicking in. If it protects you, why not? I mean, look, man, it's fairly straightforward, you know? Like I wouldn't be discussing swing ideas until you're either towards 60K or towards 5350. How I see it. Don't need to make a decision in between this gap over here, right? That's why we kind of like highlighted levels like 60K to 73K. That's a range. Now we have pretty much 60K down to 50K, which is also another range. And that's it.
Oh man, chat's lit right now. Chat's lit right now.
Volume is definitely back though. Like with every session, volume is definitely back. Look at that.
I'm gonna close this little scalp. Forget it.
Every New
I'm not.
York
I'm just gonna
Open has
wait.
just been met with volume. That's good. We're definitely back, but for some reason they're very adamant on selling every New York Open. They alter a little strong compared to BTC and this nuke. I wouldn't say strong, but there's definitely metrics to support what you're saying. You have Bitcoin dominance taking a complete tanking today, right? So that's very important because being at 57% and dropping from here is pretty significant, right? There's a lot of distribution to go into pairings that are down 80, 90%, right? So keep that on your radar. The only thing that's kind of worrying is the rise of USDT Dom, which can be is why Bitcoin's losing a lot of its market cap. A lot of it could just be distribution back into stables or profit taking. That's what a lot of people would do. But you definitely have metrics to support that. It makes a little bit more sense that alts might hold up better here. Bitcoin is losing its dominance, so that money has to go somewhere, right? If it's not being put back into stables for profit taking, well then it's being distributed into something else that nasty on the weekly, man. God damn, dude. All right. What else could we look at here? It's just like one of those days. Dogs is the fourth highest fucking volume here. Dogs.
Rough.
BTC be declining from here, be positive for alts this week, or does it take more time to see its effect? Usually I don't trade much in the weekends. I think BTC dominance declining from the level that we're at will eventually mean that the response is much bigger on alts, even if it's weak, the out in terms of outperformance, that should reflect high, more on alts. And we can actually see that today, like alts are down like what, 0.5, 1.5%. BTC is down more than 2.5% right now. So again, I don't know if that's the healthiest thing for long-term growth, but it's definitely a sign um, that shows the secondary market is more likely to recover quicker if that metric is going against the upside. Very, very violent opening to our day.
Good
Said,
times.
look, we said this week traders would be back at the table, volume would kick it up a notch, and we've gotten exactly that for every single New York Open this week. I know it's not the price action you guys are probably looking for, but it's definitely the volume you want to see. People wanted traders to come back. They're back. They're definitely back. We're seeing big volume spikes on every New York Open. The only issue I have with it is we kind of drift for the remainder of the day. So where there's fast movements, there's fast reversions, there's good opportunity to be made on these sort of plays. Pocky, just give me a minute, okay?
Yeah, bro.
Keep my tape open there so people could see like the active bids.
Oh yeah, I seen that, Martin. Was it like it bounced like 600-700% from the lows? No, beautiful. Come on, here we go. Here we go. Oh man, I wish the 30 was a little bit more oversold. That's some bullshit. All right, the levels that we've been talking about, I'm not interested in right this second. We need to chill for a little bit, let the 30 get oversold, and then boom, we'll snipe it.
Oh
Yeah, but I
damn,
want the
dude.
30 to be oversold first. See, then we could do 1 minute 5:15. Oh, Warner says 52,950. All right, we'll hold you to it. Today? Nothing's wrong with using the 15, Jim. I don't have any limits yet. Well, I don't know what you like. You guys play what your TA is telling you to play. All of the limits, all the levels that we talk about are all conditional, depending on what the RSI is saying. If we're setting up for a reversal, aka bullish divergence. Should we do like a little prize pool? Whoever can call the Friday bottom the closest wins like $100 or something, Rego.
Let's
I'll
do it.
fund it. I'll
I'll
fund
fund
it.
it too. I'll go 50-50 with you. Yeah, I'm down. Let's do it. Let's,
Oh
let's make
yeah.
it interesting. Let's go 50-50.
Yeah, let's have some fucking fun. Groot. No, Friday low. We will pay it out next Friday. Um,
So we're
and
doing
I'm
like a
gonna
Price is
pace.
Right sort of thing. The closest rounded number
Yes,
wins. Did it?
yes,
Shit, did it.
yeah. I love it.
All
I
right,
love
let's do
it.
it.
Um,
I go Pocky sweepstakes. Let's get it.
I guess I'm gonna be typing a lot. Or I'm just gonna take screenshots. I guess that's probably gonna be the best way to do it, right?
Step right up. Test your fate. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. I'm waiting for the bold motherfucker that says this is the bottom right here, right now. Bet.
I just got an error. What the fuck? It can't be. You can't. People are gonna be like, hey. People are gonna post like 54,700. It would have had to have been before 54,700. Oh, you have to long it too, Warner? Woo! Nah, man, I don't want to make it too hard. I don't mind giving away a little bit of money. It ain't nothing.
It's just money, right?
Yeah. Yep. 54,751.
Oh my god, we have people just fucking spitting out numbers. They're just spitting them out.
It's okay. It's whatever the first number they said. They get one entry only, predicting the Friday low, and you get paid next Friday. And we will do our due diligence.
Easy Eats coming in with the $10. I'll tell
You
you right
ain't
now.
winning shit.
I'll tell you right now, Yeats. if nobody if nobody guesses close and your number is actually in fact the lowest number, closest to the bottom, you win.
Oh man.
Got the stones to call the bottom right here, right now. Who's got the stones?
What
Oh,
POC
wait,
did
Choo
we
Choo
tap?
Charles.
All right, so oh wow, the 5-day got front ran. Let's go.
Everyone's calling the bottom here.
$1, Bob.
200x long.
200x. I guess it really doesn't. It doesn't matter. It doesn't.
It does not.
Yeah, you're cross. Your risk is managed. You're good,
Oh my
bro.
god.
You're
Okay.
good.
Okay. Like you shorted here. Like you shorted here, bro. Like. Wow. Will he get
No, it's a
rewarded?
long.
Oh, what the fuck? Why is it red? Why is it red?
Because he's underwater. Oh no,
Oh, okay.
no.
That's very
Yeah, I have
fucking.
no idea why it's red. That's
That's some
weird.
crazy shit. I'm gonna have to write a letter to Mexi. What the fuck is that? Change my colors for psychological purposes. I respect it.
Probably. Oh, okay. I was gonna say most likely with like slippage and fees on that position is maybe why it shows up red. Like even if you closed it, you'd still lose.
Oh, okay. We're almost back to the 50-50 here. Else coming out today that matters? Absolutely not. Okay. You know, there's quite a few traders I know that do that, right? They put red candles to the upside, green candles to the downside. I think in Silico, Jellyaz back in the day,
Yep.
which are phenomenal traders, by the way. Not for anything. Some of the best.
And inverted too. So many creative ways to do it for to help a
Yeah, I mean, like, look how
psychology.
bullish this looks, right? Like, look how fucking bullish this looks. Holy shit, I've never seen a better bull market than this. God damn, man.
Oh wow.
I mean, fuck. Wouldn't you call this the most aggressive bull trend ever? Like, if you were watching this, Pretty fucking nice, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. One more pop up and then down.
And I'm convinced we're getting this pocket of demand again. Like I'm convinced. But here I am once again, inches away from my actual entry and spooking myself out. What a it's crazy, huh? How markets work. You have any
It's looking
ape
good for a
shorties?
Friday long, bro. I'm letting you know right now. It's looking
Yeah,
good
yeah,
for a
yeah. It
Friday
does.
long.
It does.
If
Funding's
I'm wrong,
flattening
I'm
out.
wrong. I really don't care. I'm playing. I'm gonna play the 30-minute div, or I'm gonna play the levels when we get oversold on the 30 with the 1, 5, 15-minute div. That's it.
I feel like I'm gonna get bugged this week. I feel it. Setting on my indicator, which one? These are the settings. I'll leave them up here. Oh, and they're disappeared. Okay.
Oh,
I think Pocky's looking for 54.5 down to 54. I
oh my
think.
gosh. Yeah.
I'm looking for 54. What up, whale?
I'll just do it. I mean, I guess this is literally probably the easiest way for me to.
Oscillator flushing. Enter our levels. Those are good numbers, Werner. Good numbers. I can't disagree. Stacked at 54K, man. Like, I think 54K is the buy today, but then again, seems a bit obvious. Let's see.
Okay, so you're saying September bottom will be 52,950. We pump, then we nuke in October, still not making a lower low though, and then all-time highs. I think that's the same prediction I got there, Warner.
Oh, okay. This adds more light. Legacies are getting slammed here. Legacies are getting slammed. But so is the dollar. So is the dollar. Roll over and die, you piece of shit. This dollar is hanging by a thread. An
Luckily, my
absolute schmeeko
USDT is
thread.
not connected to that.
Dollar's doing what it needs to do, which is presenting this. Um, gold just kind of doesn't do anything ever. Uh, S&P wants to roll over here. I mean, like it just seems so obvious of a play, isn't it? Like I don't know. Ah man, I'm conflicted. Nvidia keeps straight eating L's. Um, Tesla look actually. I haven't.
Hey, you're a music and sound type of guy.
I am. I am.
I just got in this for the I don't know how to say it properly. It's Klipsch. Those
Okay.
speakers. You know those speakers?
Let me look them up. What'd you say they were?
K Klipsch. Yes. For home theater, home theater. Good? Okay, cool.
Oh, these are interesting. I usually worked with um, like Rockets or Yamahas. Yamahas are my favorites. The HS8s. Those are amazing studio monitors.
The receiver I got is Yamaha. I don't know
Can't go
about
wrong with
other.
Yamaha, Sennheiser. Those are usually my go-tos. Sennheisers for headphones. Yamahas for studio monitors. and rockets, but that's more of like a big room sound.
Yeah, yeah. No, this is for a real theater, like a movie theater.
Yeah, yeah, like a surround sound like experience.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess that's what you'd say.
I like Yamaha, Dan. I've written songs that I still get paid for today because of those.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Yeah,
That's fucking awesome.
I still have like 10K monthly listeners on my Spotify. It's insane. I've left that
Oh, that's
life
so what,
behind.
like your
Yeah.
royalties or something like that? Is that what
Yeah,
that
yeah,
is?
yeah. I worked with Sony for a few years as a subcontractor for a lot of like their Swedish artists. So I still get a royalty for that. I've written I've written as a ghost for some producers that still tour today. Big guys, like
Dude, that is
big guys. Yeah,
awesome.
yeah,
I can't wait to link up with you in person one day and like we
yeah. I
just
can't wait either, man.
like
The next time
like
everybody's in
stories,
Florida.
story time. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna
Hell
be
yeah,
lit.
man! I'll take you on the trip of Collins and all the times I spent in WMCs over there, man. Like from Delano to fucking Nikki Beach. I used Logic. I used FL Studio for like the beginning of my career because I thought it was easier to sample, it felt more friendly, and then Logic. When I got Logic, it changed everything because it's so clean. I thought Logic was so clean. You can highlight your layers, and it was just so nice, clean.
Tia, I don't have any alerts that went off on Tia today yet. Um, I got the reference. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I bought, I think.
Damn, that's
But I got two subs though. I got two of those sub boxes. And then there's also like two satellite speakers, I believe, is what I got. I don't know. It's all sitting at the front door right now.
that's a wild setup. That's a wild setup.
I got a
Uh,
full movie theater, 9 seats, like movie theater seats, bro. Oh man, we're gonna have good football time in there.
it's true. Football started yesterday, right? Shit.
Yeah, baby.
Apparently, it was a dramatic finish, right? It was
Bro, come
like a
on.
toe on the line or some shit like that. It was crazy.
Bro, the
They get
Chiefs are
away with
favored
murder, huh? Yeah,
so much, dude. It's fucking
they get away with
ridiculous.
murder. Those guys, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, they do. They really do.
Prath, I'm 30. I don't know how old Pocky is. I'm gonna say he's like 34, 35 max, max.
36.
Shit.
Sheesh.
Getting old, bro. We're getting old. Shit. My life's over.
Getting, I'm already there, brother.
My life's fucking over, bro. Like,
No kids, right?
no kids yet. Working on it.
Okay, yeah, that's when things that's when things speed up a little bit, my friend.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me about it. Well,
You
that's next
young
on the book.
fuckers.
That's next on
I
the
might
book.
be
Then
36, but I think I've lived a life of like a fucking 150-year-old.
that's it, man. I've done some crazy shit in my life, man. Like from touring and shit, writing with some great artists. I feel like it's another lifetime ago, honestly.
Oh, I owe somebody a Tia chart. My bad, bro.
Studio days with Garrix. Good times. And I'm pretty sure
God
I
bless him.
have. Let's go check like my number one song here.
Congrats, Caddy. Let's go, bro. Welcome to the club. Your life is gonna change for the
Yeah, look
better.
right here, 4.8 million views. Damn, look at that. Look at that shit. There I am. Yeah, that's me.
Yo, that's lit. Let's
Funny
go.
story, funny story. When Garrix released this song "Don't Look Down" with Usher, we were at a New Year's Eve party in New York, and I helped him a lot with finalizing that track before it went to final mastering. Like a lot of people don't know that, but yeah, I had some stuff to do with "Don't Look Down." Gonna get 54?
It's coming.
Oh my God, Caddy, congrats, man! I just saw the news. Good for you, man. So proud of you. People need to have more kids, my friend.
Oh, I'm sorry. I keep getting sidetracked because of alerts. Tia, right? Tia, is that what you
We're
asked
looking at
for?
Tia. We're looking at Tia. Let's take a
Somebody
look.
asked about Tia.
Yeah, I'm taking a look. I mean, every chart kind of looks the same right now. Clear, clear, clear downtrend. I mean, this one's even clearer than I've ever seen before. But it's getting tighter. It's getting tighter and tighter. So I assume these plays will revert. They will spike up hard. And my justification for this is that we have Bitcoin dominance nuking off the face of the earth here. So I understand that a lot of this is going to be considered profit taking. That's normal. But like at the same time, let's assume that they'll perform better on any sort of, keep that in mind. I just don't fight the trend right now, please. Like just don't fight the trend. It's clearly to the downside, but I like how it's compressed. What I don't like is the daily chart, I'll be honest.
I'm just gonna post some levels for you. Um, take it take it the way you want.
Like maybe target
Unfortunately for
into this wick
me,
again.
dude, I don't have anything on Tia, brother. I'm sorry. I got nothing. So here you go, Bravo. If anything, I'd be interested in Tia below $2.60. That's all I got.
Whoa, hold on, let's take a look at
For
this.
now. For now. Things can change.
Woohoo. Okay, I get it. I get it. You're targeting this little fucking schmidge over here.
No, it's literally the only POCs we got. I posted the chart. I don't have any other levels to play. I play POCs, so if I don't have any POCs, I don't play it. But we can print new POCs before going to 254, and then I'd be like, all right, let's play those. Fuck 254.
Take a look at
Like
daily
that's
here.
just the way I do it. Oh, that's why Eli's in Ave.
I mean, I've seen worse. It's not one
Never
that's just perpetually
fails.
downtrending. I mean, fuck, on a daily, I do like this idea of price consolidating as the 200 EMA catches up right onto the pivot, the daily pivot. Like, this would be the setup, right? Dominance drop and everything. And we have like a little bit of a speculative market. Like, I don't see how 118.25, like as the 200 EMA catches up over the next week or two, how this can't probably, test at least 146, 163. I don't think this is a bad looking chart. If I'm being honest with you, if we compare other alts, like this one's actually got something established here that looks like it wants to.
I don't have anything on that either.
I don't know if it's a
I'm the wrong person
parabolic
to
move.
ask right now. I'm sorry.
I mean, I don't disagree with the A positioning here. It's got a better looking formation of what you would consider quote unquote bottom, right? Trump
All right,
back
so
D,
Lork, that's like more like narrative than it probably wouldn't respect my TA at all. Just like pump from here if that's true.
Trump backed DeFi project. Why is this fucker going into decentralized finance? Like just fucking back Bitcoin, dude. It's that easy.
Um, Whale on Mew. It needs a hold right here. It needs a hold like these set of POCs like from 4 to 3.9. If not, we don't have anything till 3.2, brother. I played it. Um, when did I play it? I played it on Monday, and I basically round tripped.
That's a choppy mess. This Mu project. I mean, it's holding its pivot. 200 EMA. You have a dominance drop to support any sort of speculation. Seen worse. This is the first time I see dominance below 57 in a while. Actually, let me check. When's the last time we were below 57? Couple weeks. Is this finally the turning point, guys? Is this finally it?
Oh, all season? Don't get me excited.
Like fuck. I mean, look, it's respected my shit. Huh? Like I understand the timing's off, but like it's respected my shit. Like I don't give a fuck. Now it's time to go down and die, right? Like that's the only thing that makes sense from this point on. Becomes cheaper, people get a little bit more hasty with their speculations, and the only way to do that is through alts, right? So something's got to give here. Something's got to give.
Oh, let's go, Groot. Love it. Will caught some nice scalps before the open. He said he was done. Doesn't look like it. I see you back here now, bro. Get it. Oh, what's up, Dal? Silent killer over here.
Woo! How many fucking straight red cancels is this? Like almost an hour and a half of straight selling? My goodness, bro. I'm so salty. I woke up late this morning. I'm actually like fucking.
Oh, Dal's playing the Dal posted limits for the levels that we want to play, guys. Let's go, my boy.
Wild, man.
We're gonna get it today, Dal. We have to, dude. Let's ride this motherfucker into the weekend and then let's reassess it. Might be able to ride this way higher, but for now, let's just ride it till Sunday. I know, bro. All of us are playing the same POC. This is fucking hilarious. We're gonna put we got the wall on BTC. Oh. I really hope we can catch this on stream today. I gotta leave. Oh man, I gotta go soon, bro.
Me too.
Yeah, I got one-on-ones. Not yet though. In like 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes.
All right, let's see if we can get the fill.
I'm I don't know what else I could do.
You're doing 54, right? That's what I understand.
Maybe a couple phone calls. Da. Yeah, I wanted like 54.7 to 54.2, but we were not oversold on the 30 yet, so I ignored 54.7.
Get 54, maybe a wick into 53. Like thinking to get like a capitulation here.
Yeah,
That's why.
Dow's literally playing the same levels I'm playing. He posted a trade for it already, so perfect. Perfect. Anyone that's wanting to play those levels, follow Dow's trade.
So heavy. Oh my god, it's actually so heavy. Ooh. Our liquidations pop up here. Doubled the liquidation since we started streaming. Almost another quarter billion wiped out. How? I don't know. Holy moly. Okay. Here we go again. Round 3.
Here,
Here we go. And they are fucking eating this guy alive on Hobie, man. Look at this. They're just liquidating everybody on Hobie. Like go all in. I don't know how much more exposed to Bitcoin I could be. Like honestly, like like I don't know. The house and everything. Oh, look, I am a sophisticated trader here. That's.
Yeah, Key, you're good, bro. I'll see you. Wait, we got one today? Oh, okay, your name. You used your real name. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we good, bro. All right, 54,475 POC. The weekly has been played. Now we have 54,314, 54,240, 54,226. Come on. Fern, his corner. I'm not sure why Dow's not in Academy, to be honest with you. So he could just post these in the trade channel. I gotta talk to John about that. Unless Dow doesn't want it.
How do you fight the urge not to day trade large amounts of BTC to keep building your stack, or you just mentally do what Sailor does? You rent out your BTC at all. Ragnaros, it's like a toughened skin. Like I've learned too many times that trying to rush it in conditions that just do not suit me are more impactful on the grand scheme of things than just seizing the moment when it's as obvious as it could be. Um, I guess once you've lost enough, off stupidities, you kind of just get tired of doing that. The only time I rent out my BDC is when they're giving me a negative incentive to do so. The last time I was ever actually able to swing like that was in 2020, um, right around here, where I was just pretty much being paid to borrow BDC. I was being paid for 3 months, and funding was pretty much negative or flat, so it was either costing me nothing to just hold it, or getting paid to hold it, and then of course you just deleverage as you go up. You'll never catch the top precisely, but yeah, you delever when the incentive's no longer there. The thing is, we haven't had a negative incentive where they're pretty much paying you to be long for long periods of nothing. So, what percentage of your entire stack is dedicated to long term, and what the daily, weekly leverage BDC plays? It's that's a bit more complicated because I have a portfolio directly associated with Satoshis only. And then I have like my intraday portfolio, my intraday strategy, right? And that varies based on the setup and the risk that could be associated with the play. It does vary. It's not the easiest question to answer. I swear to God, if these cocksuckers do not give me 54K, I'm a, yeah, I think I'm gonna get front run. Or at least I'm gonna get front run all the way into my levels that I want, and then it's just gonna nuke past my level, which I don't want anymore. Like I use Bitfinex for my big portfolio. I use Bybit for my intraday. And I buy BTC on Bull Bitcoin.
Oh, my mic was muted. Damn. I was talking to myself for a while there.
You know what they say, Pocky. You're not
Dude,
crazy
I
for
took a
talking to the
fat
walls. You're only crazy if the walls talk back. You know.
I took a fat dab and I started coughing, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna mute my mic. So okay, guys, the 5 day at 54.7 was hit. The weekly at 54.475 was hit. If you played those, you are an animal. We have 3 levels left at 54.3 to 54.226. 30 minutes still not ready yet. So Warner, I don't know if you're right this time.
Keystone. When charting, when it comes to BDC, I stick to the most commercial spot avenue that exists, which is Coinbase. But for everything else, it's usually my pairing associated with the exchange I'm trading, right? So if it's Bybit, most of these you're going to see have a Bybit index. The only exception I really have is I have multiple BDC indexes here and here because the premiums and discounts that vary from index to index are quite important, at least for me. I trade, decimals and shekels when it comes to BDC, so every little discount helps. Bad news about rate cuts. What about them?
Mad, you're funny, man.
If there's new news, that's hilarious. If there's news regarding rate cut changes, let me know. I'm pretty much sure that this is what we're expecting here. Mind you, this has gone up by 10% since we started streaming. It's almost a 50-50 again.
Pick your flavor. Mad.
How's Ton doing? Because I know they changed their policies, right? Interesting. Fed's Waller time to cut rates at upcoming meeting. Yeah, but we know this though. Like we know there's like this right here in front of you is telling you that there's not a debate on whether there's a rate cut or not. There's a debate on whether there's a rate cut or 2 rate cuts in the same month. So like it's no longer a question of are they lowering rates. We knew that at the Jackson Hole, right? Like that was the first time Powell in 3 years ever suggested like a dovish outlook, right? So that's interesting to me because nothing's changed really. Like we know rates are coming lower this month. Price us and cut by 75. That would be, in my opinion, that would be irresponsible, and it would show that the Fed has no credibility whatsoever. Yeah, I'm serious. Like if they have to cut by 0.75, I don't think I watched a good video yesterday, and I tend to agree. I don't think rate cuts from this point on make a difference to the economic health. But then again, that doesn't reflect how markets respond, right? I'm just saying, like, I don't think rate cuts are going to save the economy, um, and the way it's going. It's just going to make inflation worse, whether they know it or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
I'm
it's
with
just
you on
you're putting
that.
a band-aid on top of a band-aid on top of a band-aid, but really it's an open wound right now. You know, the Fed is just buying their time until the next administration. That's my honest belief. Um,
That sounds about right.
yeah, they're
And
just
then
they're
like
just
whoever
biding their
gets
time.
elected is gonna be like the hero. No matter who it is, right?
Yeah, the hero or the villain. It depends. I actually don't know.
No,
Like
no, they're just gonna pass the buck. They're gonna be like it was the previous administration or the previous administration that got us here, and I'm just trying to rebuild it. You already
I can
know the
almost hear
story.
Trump. I can almost hear Trump's press conferences. A lot of inflation, big inflation. It would have never happened. Let's hope Trump wins. I mean, is there any evidence to suggest he'll lose? I do not see it. The only way he loses is if it takes more than one night to count the votes. That's all I'm going to tell you. I don't know if it's an election denying. I'm a logical and rational human being, and when I see things that don't make sense, I treat them as they are, right? If something doesn't make sense, it doesn't make sense, right? Yeah. Harris wins and Gensler vice president. That would be That would be like I'm watching a really, really bad movie with an hilariously bad villain that gets away with everything, like it's Sharknado or some shit, you know? Like they will rig it big time. I don't know, man. I think you're playing a dangerous game, right? I don't think I've ever seen this many people interested in politics in my entire life. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older, but like everybody, and I mean everybody, all the way up until Canada are talking about politics right now. Like the whole world is watching. You would have to be pretty fucking careless to then again I don't know. I don't know. But I'll take it that Americans seem to have a better understanding of what's going on here. Like I don't know if they ask people in the street or if like it really is that close, but like I don't know if it's a bias or anything, but anybody I speak to cannot see the latter winning, right? So
Yep.
yeah,
Yep.
like I don't know how the American population would accept a loss this time around. Like it just
I
wouldn't
think it'd
add
be
up.
like I personally, I mean, I know some hardcore Americans that are like Civil War if it doesn't work. Like I was like, oh shit, okay. I'm 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 not getting involved in any wars, but you already know what side I'm on. The
That's
side
it.
that holds the most guns. Let's go.
Man, I envy the Americans for having their right to bear arms.
Oh, if you're when you do come down here, we'll take a drive out to the farm and
Get the range,
you
the
can
shooting range.
yeah, we have our own shooting range and an armory. It'll be like you'll have fun. You'll have fun. I
Dude,
promise
why
you.
did I have to be born north of the border? Like why? Why did this happen? I should be an American.
Because you
Yeah.
got better maple syrup up there. That's why.
Oh no, not maple syrup. Oh god, oh jeez.
I I remember like the first time I ever seen like a real true Canadian, like they took a shot of maple syrup. I'm like, what?
I mean,
I was like, is that normal? They're like, yeah, everybody does this. I was
no,
like,
no,
you
nobody
take
does that.
nobody. The people I was with was doing it. Maybe they're just fucking
Man,
with
you're
me because
talking
I
to
was
some like
American.
Alaskan version Canadians, you know, like I guarantee people from Alaska don't represent, most Americans, but that's how it sounds to me. Like
I don't
you probably
ask.
spoke to
Dow
like
can
some
answer this. Dow can answer. Dow, do you know people that take shots of maple
Dow's
syrup?
gonna vouch me. There's no way he fucking spikes his insulin like that. He's into bodybuilding and shit. There's no way he spikes his insulin for no reason like
They were
that.
so fucking with me then. Oh, they were so fucking with me.
Of course they were fucking with you, bro. Nobody takes a shot of maple syrup. That's like saying we live in igloos.
They made me do it. I took a shot of maple syrup. I was like, bro, what is this?
You just know they laughed the whole way home and told all their buddies.
Oh,
You
I
just
bet you
know.
they
You
did.
just know. You just know. We do not live in igloos. We do not live in igloos.
It was still really good though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, anything for Trump at this point is just like common sense, right? You have like only one candidate talking about, war and conflict and
Policies?
all the things that actually matter, like actual
Yeah.
policies to repair a nation. So again, like it's not a matter of do I hate this guy, do I like this guy? I'm indifferent to that. I'm really focused on the
Yeah.
policies. Everybody
Right.
else is saying we need to fund this and we need to fund that and we need to fund this side and that side. And then you have one guy saying like, you put me in office within 24 hours, everything's done. And it's like, isn't that what we want? Isn't
Damn.
that what we want? Like
Yep.
it's
Yep.
the only guy talking for peace, like isn't that what we want?
We don't need a politician. We need a businessman. I'll be honest with you. I mean,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah. And I
I
think the
mean
problems are so easily fixable, right? Because of how blatantly
oh,
bad.
super fixable.
Yeah, it's almost like any of us can go into office right now and just do policies that represent the American people, right? Or just
Yep.
people in general. Like it just seems like there's no accountability, no consideration for the people. Everybody's a tax cattle. Nothing actually matters, and we fund our agenda. And I think I want to assume people are tired of this, right? Like as the
Yes.
past 4 years been great. Like I as just from the outside looking in, I just see like more indecision, more instability.
And it's not even just Americans because obviously the United States economy does affect the world just like any major
Absolutely,
economy.
absolutely. The
So
U.S. dollar, all the way down to the U.S. economy. It affects everybody around them. Whether people want to admit this or not, the U.S. is a superpower, and it's not to be taken lightly. So when people don't respect that superpower, things get kind of scary. You know, when the U.S. isn't
yep.
being taken seriously, things kind of people go kind of rogue and start pushing their own policies and start taking advantage of situations because of weak leadership. Um, and that's the reason for the turmoil of the past 4 years. I mean, when you have like a strong leader that says you fuck around with us and it's a big problem, they think twice, right? But if you have a guy
I
that's reading
would.
off a script and reads what's in the brackets and parentheses out to the crowd, like you kind of go, okay, this is a clown show, right? Let me do whatever I want to do. And that's
Yep.
really
Wild
how
Wild
how
West.
that's it, right? Like that's it. Like
Yeah.
like when you see like Biden walk off the stage and just walks around like a Roomba, like it becomes a problem. Like world leaders see this and go, man, what are we doing? Like are we scared of this? And it's like,
Aruba.
bro, you've never seen him. He walks around and
I've
and I got this from
seen
a comedy skit.
Aruba, but I never did. I never put the two together. That's pretty
When you
fucking
look at him
good.
when he finishes his speech, he just kind of like
Oh,
stiffens
fucking
up, walks
shit.
around, and he just kind of like walks to the end of the room, right? Like he's a fucking
I always thought of like time travel where like he just like teleported there and he's like, hey, like where am I at? Like what
yeah,
happened?
yeah,
What's
that's what I
going
mean. Like
on?
he tries to shake hands with ghosts. Like you're a world leader, right? Like you're Xi Jinping, you're Vladimir Putin. You're just looking at this like this is the guy that bullies us. This is the country that bullies us. Like are we not making a move here? Like think of it, right? You have other nations that are just doing what they think is best for their nation, right? And you have to respect
Oh
that.
my
It's
god.
just, bro, you
I'm,
need to
I'm
mediate.
fucking I'm dying right now. I actually have to head out. I got a one-on-one starting here in literally
Ah,
two
damn.
minutes.
Okay,
So
this is a good, bro. Look at that. This is like a literal Roomba, man. Look at that.
you guys are
Guys,
awesome.
this was a good stream. I wish we would have gotten our 54K before the stream actually comes to an end, but like it looks like we're gonna get it. So just chill out for a bit. But man, what a stream! Yeah, what a
Good
stream.
times.
It was a good
Make
one. It
sure
was
to
a good one.
tune in next week for the $100 giveaway. We're gonna see who called the bottom Friday
Oh
night.
yes, it's true. It's true. The good old
Yes, sir.
sweepstakes, the $100 sweepstakes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, Puck. It's a
Hey,
pleasure.
bro. You have always, dude. You have a wonderful weekend.
You as well.
Chat. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Have a good time, and I'll catch everyone later.
Yes, sir. And I'm just going to end this off for you guys. It's always a pleasure, guys. Thanks you so much for joining us. Every Friday, we do the same thing. We'll talk about anything. If markets are moving, we talk about that. If nothing's going on, we'll talk about other things. Um, as always, if you guys have questions, if we didn't cover all of them, we're sorry about that. But message us again, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, guys. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Have a fantastic weekend. Try not to get chopped or blown out to bits, and we'll see you guys next week. All right, take care, boys.